Hello guys, so I'm about to do another nursery for pepper. As you can see, this is Super Habanero pepper seed, and this nursery I will not be doing it the regular way or putting it directly to this the seed tray. What I need to do first is to break the seed dormancy. So first of all, I'll open up the seed. As you can see, trying to open up the Super Habanero seed from the sachet. So once you open it up, we'll put it inside this a plastic takeaway plate that you can see on the screen right now. So we open up the Super Habanero seed, pour it inside. You can see the seed right there. Pour it inside this takeaway plates. We'll do it for all the seed that we want to plant. So put all the seed inside takeaway plates, and we put water. What we're trying to achieve here is to break the seed dormancy before we put them in tray. That's another way of nursing your pepper seed to guarantee a 95% germination. So you can either put the seed directly into the nursing tray without soaking, without breaking the dormancy, or you can try this pattern. You put water inside the takeaway plates. As you can see, after that, I'll cover the takeaway plate. It will be in water for 12 hours. We'll leave it in this water for 12 hours. We'll cover it and leave it like that for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, we'll now remove it. As you can see, I want to cover it, and I'll leave it for 12 hours before removing the water. So you can as well plant directly without soaking, but I want to guarantee a good germination. So after the 12 hours, we'll remove the water. You can see that. Remove it from the water and put it in a towel, a small hand towel, and fold it airtight and put it inside the same takeaway plate. Put it inside the same takeaway plate and keep it under the sun for at least 3 days, for 2 to 3 days. And when you open it, you realize that a lot of them have started sprouting out, started germinating. And that being said, you've already broken the dormancy. So when you put it inside the seed tray, in 2-3 days, all the seed will come out. That is one thing about breaking dormancy. But if you put it directly to the tray without soaking in water or doing this pattern, you wait for probably 6 to 7 days before they germinate. But if I do it this way, in 2 days, 3 days after putting it inside the tray, all the seed will germinate. So that is why I always like to break the dormancy first. And sometimes I do it directly, but this one I want to make sure I have 95 to 100% seed germination.
See you guys in our next updates. Bye for now.